Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about market structure shift. In last video I have teach about liquidity. What are the types of liquidity? Price side and sell side liquidity. In this video we are going to market structure shift. In this video I will explain about market structure shift. And next video I will upload how to use market structure shift in live market and how to combine market structure shift with liquidity. Okay, I will give an introduction how to use a market structure shift in this video. What is no market structure shift? Market structure shift is defined as the confirmation for the reversal move after the buy side and sell side liquidity. Okay, which means I will explain with you a diagram. Just you understand what is market structure shift is defined as a confirmation of for the reversal move after the support buy side and sell side, which means when the market is in uptrend. What is the market structure shift? And market is uptrend. The market don't go always uptrend. So the market have been changed after some going sometime after the market reverse. The market back to downtrend. So which is this is high. This high which is low is low. So we consider this is a market structure shift. This low is market structure shift here. Taking you understand this is a market structure shift. In afternoon, it is the market strategy. So only last line, first line is into a explain. Finding the key reversal point for the smooth strategy. So finding the key reversal point, which means finding the key reversal point is as a smooth strategy. Okay, now we are going to enter into a with the explanation. There is market strategy. When market is in uptrend, the market is in uptrend, and the market breaks the low. The market breaks this low is to consider the market strategy. Then market goes down. So finding the key reversal point after a split strategy. Finding after reaching this side, market directly break out down. Okay, so the strategy is second. This is bearish strategy. Again, this bullish strategy. When market is in downturn, the market is in downturn. You can see the market is in downturn. The market is in downturn. So when market is in downturn, when the market breaks this high, is known as strategy. So we can consider in downturn, the market always goes down and down, down, and down. When market breaks out this high, is known as strategy. I think you understand. When market breaks out this high, when market break out this low, is known as bearish market structure shift. So if you have doubts, you can say market structure shift, bearish market structure shift. When market break at this low, is this high, this low. When market break this low, is known as market structure shift. When market break out this high, is known as market structure shift. There are three types of market structure shift. So next video, I am going to upload how to control the market structure shift and or liquidity and topic. So you can understand how to use market structure in this concept. So I can understand you can understand market structure. Okay, thank you.